I am loving these new olive oil spray bottles. I put the olive oil right in here, and it has that continuous sprayer. It's like an upgraded feature to have that on the end. If you can see right here, here's a better one here. So it's a continuous sprayer. Let me just say the stream and the mist come out really good. I've been using these for a while. I haven't had any like errors with it or it not coming out. And then I'm just going to show you, I like to spray some olive oil. I just did some pasta. I like to spray a little bit in my pasta when it's done. So while the rest of the food is cooking, if it happens to get done before everything else, I just mix it in there and spray a little, mix it in. It will help the food not stick. And then I also really like to use it. This just finished, and so I want it to get a little bit crispier. So I'll just pull this out and I'll just spray little olive oil right over the top here. And then I'll put it back in for a few more seconds. The other olive oil is up here, and this is like above the microwave. It's pretty high up. I'm not super tall. I have to go on my tippy toes to try to reach it. It's also a really large bottle. So if you can see, it's like literally touching the top shelf. So it makes it easier to just be able to put this in a smaller bottle and something that I can easily, you know, bring around and carry with me and actually sit out by the stove for convenience. So I really like that. But I'm going to just spray it in here again. Just set that right there and show you the stream. So you can see I push a little bit, I can get it to drip. And then if you really, stream is really nice. Thanks for sending me these to review.